and welcome to English Trail. I'm Kirsty, and on this YouTube channel I'll help you take steps to improve your English every day. In this series of videos we're looking at the conditional structures, and we've already looked at the 0, first, second, third conditionals, and also the first type of mixed conditionals. In this video we're going to look at the second type of mixed conditionals. So we're going to have lots of fun doing this. We use this structure quite a lot, really, so it's very useful both for understanding and to explain clearly some situations. So in this video we'll look at the structure, some examples, how to pronounce the examples, and I'll help you to make your own examples. So let's go. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about the second type of mixed conditional. So we've now talked about the 0, first, second, third, and the first type of the mixed conditionals. So this is the final type of conditional that we're going to look at in this series of videos. I would recommend watching the other videos if you haven't seen them already. And yeah, let's go. This is really exciting structure. So we use this structure to talk about how your present situation would be different if something had been different in the past. So for example, if I had been born in Spain, I would speak Spanish fluently now. Yeah. In reality, I was born in England, so I don't speak Spanish fluently. I do my best. But I've had to learn it. However, if the past had been different, if I had been born in Spain, now I would speak Spanish fluently. Similarly, if I hadn't eaten since yesterday, I'd feel hungry now. Yeah, if I hadn't eaten since yesterday, I'd feel hungry now. The same as with the other conditionals, you can change the order of the pink and purple clauses. So you can say, I'd feel hungry now if I hadn't eaten since yesterday. A final example, if humans hadn't invented computers, you wouldn't be watching this video. Okay, so this conditional is a really nice way of considering how changes in the past would have changed your present or changed the present situation. Here's some questions that you could consider. So how would your life be different now if you had grown up in a different country? If you had won €1 million, pounds or dollars, say if you had won €1 million last year, how would your life be different now? Maybe you would be living in a mansion on a tropical island, or maybe you would be traveling around the world. How would your life be different now? How would your life be different now if you had studied a different subject at university? Now, often people might talk about their regrets. Yeah. If only I'd studied medicine, now I would be a doctor. If only I'd studied law, now I would be a lawyer and I'd have a better job or whatever. Now, to be honest, I think it's better to be happy with your current situation and have no regrets. But many people like to talk about how their life would be different if they had done something differently in the past.
You could also think about how would your life be different now if you had not met your current partner or your current friends. Maybe you would be doing totally different things. How would your life be different now if you had not taken up or started your current hobby? Okay, so if you, I don't know, if you play football every Saturday, how would your life be different now if you had not started playing football? How would your life be different now if you had never um, been to cinema club or whatever your hobby is? How would your life be different now if you had not taken up that hobby? I've highlighted the structure in green here, and you can use this and these questions to write some examples in the comments below the video or send them to me on Facebook or Instagram, and sign up, like, subscribe. It's really exciting seeing this community, this English Trail team grow, as everybody can take steps together to improve their English. Um, so thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.